Hare Rama. Today I am going to make an automatic hand sanitizing machine. Materials required: infrared sensor, 1K resistor, tip 32C transistor, 6-volt battery and one submersible motor. First, we have to make a hole in the center of the cap of the bottle which we have chosen. We have to make a small hole near the big hole, and we have to pass a pipe inside the big hole and join the end of that pipe to the submersible motor, and the wire which comes out from the submersible motor we have to pass it out from the small hole. We have to glue it with M-seal or glue gum. The air should not pass inside the bottle. We have to paste infrared sensor and tip 32 transistor in the cap of the bottle. Now I am telling the working of infrared sensor. The infrared rays comes out from the black LED and it reflected by our hands and received by the white LED. For VCC port we have to give positive current, and GND is ground, means negative current, and out is the signal which comes out from the sensor. Now I am telling the points of tip 32 transistor. First leg is base, second one is collector, third one is emitter. Here I given the circuit diagram of this model. Instead of USB cable I used battery. We have to connect 1K resistor from out of the sensor to base of the tip 32 transistor. We have to connect the negative of motor and negative of battery to GND, means ground of the sensor. We have to take a small piece of wire and positive terminal of the battery, and we have to connect it to the VCC port of sensor, and we have to connect the free end of small piece of wire to the emitter of tip 32 transistor and positive terminal of the motor to the collector of tip 32 transistor. When we bring our hand in front of the sensor, on that time the motor will run and the sanitizer will come out from the nozzle. When we remove our hand, the signal cuts and automatically the motor will stop working. Thank you.